How to make Nutella at home with cocoa like the professionals. Better than ready-made ones and cheaper. How to make Nutella without hazelnuts. To start making Nutella at home in an economical way, prepare the ingredients and follow the steps. A cup of powdered milk. A cup of white sugar. Half a cup of hot water. 3 cubes of butter. 3 tablespoons cocoa. 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil. A teaspoon of hazelnut extract. Preparation steps. To make Nutella without hazelnuts, first in a bowl, mix milk, sugar, water and butter, then in the next step, whisk the ingredients well until combined. Add cocoa, oil, and hazelnut extract. Stir the ingredients until they combine, and we get Nutella without using hazelnuts.